welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Savrambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya CM highlights green initiatives at Climate Summit in New Delhi. Federation of Khasi States condemns assault on aim of Nongmansau Hima. MSRLS organizes self-help group Loan Mela and gender campaign launch in Ampati. And district-level financial literacy campaign held in southwest Khasi Hills. And now the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Samla participated in the second Climate Investments and Technology Impact Summit held at Meghalaya House, New Delhi on 5th December. The summit focused on technological solutions and green investments to combat climate change. CM Samla highlighted Meghalaya's agroclimatic diversity, stressing the state's vulnerability to climate change due to heavy rainfall, which impacts agriculture and the environment. He emphasized the importance of sustainable, climate-resilient infrastructure and outlined key state initiatives such as the Green Meghalaya Project, fish sanctuaries, and community-led landscape management projects. Samla also discussed the state's new industrial policy aimed at fostering green growth. During the summit, MOUs were signed for various projects including advanced farming, hydropower development and AI-based solutions with a total investment exceeding Rs 4,000 crore. The event was also attended by Dr. Igor Panik from Slovenia and RM Mishra, former Secretary Government of India. The Federation of Khasi States (FKS) has strongly condemned the assault on Plowell's aim, this aim of Nongmansau Hima, on November 22nd. The incident occurred when individuals who had come to discuss issues in the Hima office attacked this aim, leading to a misunderstanding. KM Samla, president of the FKS, expressed full support for this aim and criticized the brutal behavior of the attackers. The Federation has called on law enforcement authorities, including the Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police in West Khasi Hills, to investigate the matter thoroughly, make arrests, and ensure justice is served according to the law.
Penkendit ru yang ini dan lang tu Khubor. Tegi sedang ban kita aktif poem. Tegi don bungut ki berong tu. Ribun naki tegi yalek ban bat itu ki berong yalek ban yadai poem. Tegi tegi bak tak aktif poem tegi don tang kendiat ngut ki don tang lain ngut. Jong kita ke Shillong kerong seem. Kalian jong ka office rekam jong acting CM ke Hima Nongmansau ngila ai ke FIR ho IC apo langpi BOP then ya ka kopi jong ke FIR ngila ai sa po SP was
Bor in charge of district nadu DC SP jong ka West Khasi Hills ni da karpat da ka basngauret ban simkia ban pensitom ya kita kiru le don bor ki pom khensu ya ka rang ka ha ka riti ke restore ke jing kesin kembang tip ba usim lajutip kum usim ba lajut khat tu ha ka riti ke restore ni usim ukumi ubadai ban ri ban sumar ban peit ya ka jot ke pe ya ka no ke benta ka e kason jong ki kun ke hajar da ka bishar hok dan rei om da ka ba ki nong le ya ka kam Kidai banda sengap ya kejing bisa kejung suim. Kenang ba lak ban wara ka suk kasang ha sensyar kadar jungi. Ki kejing dia bro ki ai baro ki jing dia ki tip khamba na kaliam kejung ki ring ni sotu. Ba kadai na ki kam snong kam thau kadai na ka jinglong jo ka sensyar kadar ki kam snong kam thau ki jing ye per jimun. Pa yem na kaliang jong ka kum unong sensyar kumunong bisar uhapan bisar nya pan pensuk pensanya ki baro arliang dan rei kejian untuk Nagaliang kejungi dap da kejing snowsi krau le kumde tingi ai kejing kersian paim ba dei ban randien paim jong himan nom sau dei ban kan ran sedien dei ban ya bi sakmat ban le ya kejing syar hok kejung halak kejok ke hima nagaliang kejunga ngadon tang ban ong tang kata bleshbun.
The Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society (MSRLS) successfully held an self-help group loan mela cum gender campaign launch at the Multi-Facility Centre Ampati on Friday. The event aimed to empower self-help groups and promote gender equality with key dignitaries such as Vikas Kumar, IPS, Superintendent of Police, and RZD Shira, Project Director and Additional Deputy Commissioner in attendance. Bank officials from BMMCAB, BMSBI and BMHDFC also participated alongside self-help group members from Southwest Garo Hills. A notable achievement was the sanctioning of 7.25 crore in loans to 156 self-help group, boosting the economic prospects of the rural communities. The program also included the felicitation of financial inclusion cadres, community gender health advocates, and cluster-level federations for their contributions. An enrollment drive for bank linkages, social security schemes, and product exhibitions further encouraged collaboration and knowledge sharing among self-help group members.
क्योंकि आगे बढ़ने के लिए तो पैसा चाहिए, आप प्रोडक्ट आपका अच्छा है बिकेगा तभी, अब उसको और बढ़ाने के लिए तो थोड़ा पैसा चाहिए, पैसा तो यही देंगे असली मालिक.
Officials from various banks, NCAB, SBI, MRD, HDFC, Bosco, Central Officer, District Mission Manager, Srimati Ambe Sama, Arun Sumate yang Subapa, Sanchi, Sini, Jasa Deputy Member Parang. At the very start, I would like to thank our Secretary of Police for this opportunity. I think it is important that we have encouragement and support for the police department also, and we have been very instrumental, especially in the district, in tackling this fight against gender-based violence. Very proactive, very helpful, and always communicating with the administration and other officials also. And thank you for your time here. So, dalam semua program nanti akan melanjutkan tentang itu loan nila patinga adun paksana gender campaign for gender based violence patinga ini program padahal belum mensawa tapi apa HMCMD
The Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Southwest Khasi Hills, organized a district-level financial literacy campaign cum exhibition 2024 inaugurated by B. Maulong, DC. The event, supported by Mr. LT Taryang, MCS ADC, and local government officers, aimed to educate the public on various government schemes such as PMJJBY, MSBY, APY, and MHIS, along with loan options provided by banks. A health camp was also conducted, offering free medical assistance to attendees. The exhibition provided valuable information on government initiatives, supporting families and entrepreneurs, with food stalls adding to the festive atmosphere. This initiative emphasized the importance of financial literacy and government support for community empowerment.
Boro di sat lagi nanti hujan. Ida kota. Tercendure mana nanti? Esan. Mana ya film ani kita ni patlut tu terwewa.
Abanim day bandu jingkernan, mongim day bandu jingkernan, kumki SAG members, pilana ya kio syapang hakikam kijam.
Department prepare lah si mungkin bilang di pensyah happy. Di langsung apa kena program mentasi sisa ngaruh kumbo ong ba tarian mosong bolong sing seng ko kan ai ngo yu blai ba niyo kan lat ni nak banyak kenduk lang kom ni meleng snak ko tu jingwai ba nun kong duk di ong teli yin yang banyak snok ti lang masa kata diga kelenti jingi hab banyak teli banyak snok ti lang wat ada wan ni office prepare ni nak ban di background prepare nak ni lagi Shillong di thau prepare ni tre lang ti ko ni sim ko bu punya room di counter pim ta semua nak industri sih, asal kita kiskin, batang-batang ko kita buat tapi ini jadi kita ada ai, kita yang kita kislah dengan apa bank yang pelat yang kita tempat sanction yang kita loan, ini tempat disburse kita loan. Kum kini sih kita bencun ke bulan, jika pindah jika bank, mari ke office ke counter industri itu dan hang tu, ki bank dan hang tu kita balik ben pilih raja ayu kita ke application juga, supaya orang ada baca ke bank dan hang tu kita balik kembali. Ti Hindi mo lah, bun ki jingkren menne like kren sepang ki jingplay insurance.
The National People's Party NPP has announced 18 candidates for the upcoming Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC MDC elections. The list of candidates was received by the party's working president, Hamlet Sondoling. The nominated candidates are as follows: Mrs. Rona Khumdet Nongpo, Mrs. Magdalene Saukme Maulong Umsning, Mr. Rangkansai Karbuki Umroy, Mr. Rabok Tensong Lang Kedem Klatgro, Mrs. Grace Mary Karpuri Nongshken, Mr. Ethan Karpuri Shillong, Mr. Alvin K. Saukme Mausenram, Mr. Donovan Karwanlang Sora, Mr. Feinstar Karkongor Melim, Mr. Penyat S.M. Nong Thamai, Mr. Phantom J. Lakadong Lajamkra Malki, Mr. Lamprang Bla Mauplang Diengyay, Mr. Batskem Rantathiang Mairang Nongklau, Mr. Karnes So Shang Maukurwat, Mr. Mandilos Nongbri Langrin, Mr. Dresser Marngar Nongston, Mr. Kimfa S. Marbanyang Rambrai Jerngam, and Mr. Cardinal So Shang Mautangkut. The party is gearing up for the elections with these candidates representing various constituencies in the Khasi Hills region. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.